Join me as I dive into the latest predictions from stock experts about WMT and see if I can make sense of it all. WMT Stock, or Walmart Incorporated, is a giant in the retail industry, and its stock performance is closely watched by investors and market analysts alike. With its massive global presence and diverse range of products and services, WMT has become a staple in many portfolios. Lately, however, WMT stock has been making headlines for various reasons, and today we're going to explore what's got everyone talking. The retail industry is facing a tough time, with rising inflation and changing consumer behavior. These factors directly impact WMT's bottom line, making it a challenging environment for the company to navigate. Economic uncertainty, supply chain disruptions, and increasing competition from e-commerce giants are just a few of the hurdles WMT is dealing with. As investors, it's crucial to understand these challenges and how they might affect WMT's stock performance. Another significant challenge for WMT is the shift towards online shopping. As more consumers turn to digital platforms for their shopping needs, traditional retailers like WMT must adapt quickly to stay relevant. The company has been investing heavily in its e-commerce capabilities, but it's a tough battle against established players like Amazon. Moreover, with the current economic landscape, consumers are becoming more cautious with their spending, which could impact WMT's sales and revenue. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated the shift towards online shopping, and this trend doesn't seem to be slowing down. WMT has made significant strides in enhancing its online shopping experience and expanding its delivery capabilities, but it still faces stiff competition. Furthermore, as interest rates fluctuate and economic indicators start to signal a potential downturn, investors are becoming increasingly cautious about WMT's future performance. In such uncertain times, expert opinions and analysis become invaluable for investors trying to make sense of it all. So, let's dive into what the experts are saying about WMT stock. Stock experts have varying views on WMT's future performance, with some optimistic about its long-term growth prospects. They point to WMT's strong brand, extensive store network, and efforts to enhance its e-commerce platform as positive indicators. However, others are more cautious, citing the competitive landscape and economic uncertainty as significant risks. Some experts highlight WMT's steady dividend payouts and stable earnings as attractive features for income-focused investors. Looking at the data, WMT stock has shown resilience despite the economic challenges. Its ability to maintain steady sales and adapt to changing consumer behavior has been a key selling point for investors. Moreover, WMT's strategic acquisitions and investments in technology are seen as steps in the right direction to secure its position in the market. The company's focus on integrating its online and offline channels is also a major plus, allowing it to offer a seamless shopping experience to its customers. With the retail landscape evolving rapidly, experts who are bullish on WMT argue that the company's adaptability and scale will help it weather any economic storms. One compelling insight from the experts is the potential for WMT to benefit from its expanding grocery delivery and curbside pickup services. As more consumers seek convenience and safety in their shopping experiences, WMT's significant investment in these areas could pay off big time. This service not only enhances customer satisfaction but also opens up new revenue streams. The integration of technology, such as AI and automation, into WMT's operations is another area that experts find promising. By streamlining its supply chain and improving efficiency, WMT aims to reduce costs and boost profitability. This strategic move could make WMT more competitive and appealing to investors. The consensus among experts seems to be that WMT's diversified business model and strategic investments position it well for long-term growth. However, it's also clear that the road ahead won't be without its challenges. Investors need to keep a close eye on how WMT navigates these hurdles. To wrap it up, the expert opinions on WMT stock paint a complex picture, reflecting both the challenges and opportunities in the retail sector. The key takeaways are WMT's strong foundation, its efforts to adapt to a changing retail landscape, and the potential for growth in areas like e-commerce and grocery delivery. If you've got thoughts on WMT stock or the retail industry in general, I'd love to hear them. Drop a comment below and let's get the conversation started. Don't forget to check out my next video for more insights and analysis on the stock market.